Hello friends, welcome to War India News Hour. Today I am going to talk on the rising risk of insider threats by the remote workforce. Like everyone, you too are no doubt focusing on the health and well-being of your family and friends while dealing with critical and complex business issues. In these unprecedented times, we will see new disruptions from the sales to delivery, everything to change rapidly, with people being the core of this change. Employees across organizations are dealing with anxiety, stress, fatigue, and confusion. There are lots of discussions going on among the experts on how to protect and ensure the well-being of their workforce while business plan for continuity in the new normal. It is like survival to revival. In times of travel restrictions and social distancing, organizations need to focus on key talent in all functions. This is more important in areas of business development and strategic sourcing, since deployments need to be done contactless, that is, without physically contacting. There is need for people who can ideate, digitize and source customers' products all at the same time. As the world comes to grips with the realities of daily life during COVID-19, cyber attacks from within organizations themselves are becoming one of the largest risks. As per a report, 70% of organizations say insider attacks are becoming more frequent, with financial gain being the motive in 81% of cases, with the majority of the malicious acts occurring in times of financial difficulty. Information security leaders have become more concerned about inadvertent and negligent insider breaches as the remote workforce balloons. Technology is being engaged to proactively fight the virus and maintain essential business operations. Change is a constant in technology. There is no doubt about it. And the greatest change are often driven by major events that fundamentally reshape how people work and conduct business. At the age of coronavirus, more than ever, technology and cybersecurity must keep pace with disruption and change, adapt to adversity, and even accelerate their development wherever possible. Let's see what are the best practices most of the CEOs need to follow or they are following. Number one would be regular reach out to employees for clarity on their priorities. Second would be look for opportunities to provide constructive feedback to staff. Third, I would say hold career path conversations with your direct reports. Digital technologies are rapidly transforming society and the world with unprecedented opportunities to meet the new challenges. Growing opportunities created by the application of digital technologies including AI, ML, big data, blockchain, crypto and e-commerce has led to accelerate to keep pace. At the same time, the present pandemic has slowed down the vision of running flying cars in the metro, which will remain as a dream for 2020. Now a question comes to my mind, whether we will ever have a flying cars? Yes, the answer would be there will be flying cars in the year 2020 and the future will be beautiful and full of possibilities. No one will face hardships owing to the advancements in science and there will be happiness all around while people will enjoy equal rights. But the reality is slightly different from the utopian dream. Corruption, inequality, hatred, bloodshed, diseases and what not in 2020, which came out to be one of the hardest years faced by humanity in a long time. Flying cars was a far-fetched dream and the lockdown has grounded the aeroplanes as well. It is true that the fear of unauthorized access is way higher during these times as hackers know a large portion of the population is working from home. Every small and medium business needs to have a strong access control policy defined for their employees. A survey says more than half of the data breaches happen due to weak or old passwords. Use passwords, a strong password and a change time it at regular intervals. Do not write down your passwords on your laptop or in your computers. If you move away from your computer, even for a washroom break, lock your computer. It doesn't matter that you are living alone or don't have anyone around. There are multiple tools available to see your password is compromised. What are the key points? Require two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. Beware of phishing emails and messages. Secure your home networks. Use free tools like Quad9 to protect against DNS-based attacks and block non-malicious websites through its intelligence feeds. Cybersecurity is being seen as a core technology to keep companies secure as they go online and virtual. Let's see how certain OEMs have offered various free goodies to protect their customers to safeguard their systems from being compromised and falling victim to cyber attacks. Let's see. IBM, it offers free tools based on trusted data to track COVID-19 cases on your phone and online. Where Dell offers new security tool that detects attacks attempting to modify a computer's BIOS component, the tool will be provided for free to all its enterprise customers. At the same time, HP Inc. has launched digital learning partnership to support students and schools impacted by COVID-19. Hewlett Packard Enterprise has signed the Open COVID Pledge, granting free access to all of its patented technologies for the purpose of diagnosing, preventing, containing and treating COVID-19. Sophos has a free personal PC and Mac protection for all Sophos customers with Sophos Home Commercial Edition program for the duration of the COVID-19 global health concern. At the same time, Soniqual offers deep discounts on its remote access products and services to aid new and existing customers, as well as introduce new 30 and 40-day VPN spike licenses for existing customers. Let's see what Fortinet offers. It has announced it is opening the entire online self-paced catalog for advanced network security expert training courses for free. Kaspersky is offering free 6-month licenses for its core solutions. QuickHeal is aimed at providing an uninterrupted digital experience for consumers by protecting their personal data, banking credentials, privacy, memories, and more from the wrath of cyber criminals. Let's see how Wordviz, a company into security, frees from machine from worm, spyware, adware, rootkit, virus and other malware with its advanced malware protection. We have with us today Mr. Sharad Srivastava, Vice President Global Sales Marketing, Wordviz India Solutions. Welcome Sharad to the War India News Hour. Please explain how security is regaining priority in digital strategies for the CIOs to make note in the business plan.
Hello, hi, my name is Sharad Srivastava. I'm Vice President Global Sales and Marketing for Wordviz, the company we makes personalized digital security software. Security always been concerned about any corporates, whether it's physical security, employee security, asset securities, or digital securities. However, in today's environment, if you look at this way, when the lockdown is there, the only business which is working today, which is able to adopt in online environment, whether they're able to sell online or they're able to get your employees to work online. And when we're talking about this online working or work from home, there are a lot of challenges which comes into place, okay, because the employee is no longer, the user is no longer in your campus, it's off campus, and there are a lot of issues which comes into place because the environment, the user environment is not in your control.
Nicely said. Moving to the next question, as 60% of digital business would suffer major service failures by 2020 due to the inability of security teams to manage digital risk, what are the key steps to be taken on priority?
I think the three main important steps which need to be taken care. One, securing your users' environment. Second is securing your data, and third is securing your network. What are the steps need to be taken in these things? I guess the first and foremost is securing user environment, and second is securing users data. The first environment related issues, there are various ways and means to do that. You can get port scan protection from the software installed in his system, his PCs and laptops. Basically, even if your Wi-Fi is not, or your home environment, home network is not very secured, the laptop or the desktops becomes invisible to outside world, so nobody can from outside peep into the network and see what is there in that network and try to get access of your data. Okay. Second is there has to be some sort of parental controls software installed on the user system, so that he can limit the access of systems to his family, to his kids or her kids, so that nobody can access his or her data. And the third and foremost is data should be encrypted whenever they are sending the data to the outside, getting connected to the servers. Data should be encrypted. There are various softwares. WordWiz also provide those kind of softwares where you can encrypt your data, and even in emails you can encrypt your data and send it to other parties or from home. Other in the issues which need to be taken care in this environment is the cyber crime has increased like anything. A lot of phishing softwares, phishing mails available, which hackers are sending continuously, which accidentally, if anybody can push or click on that, they will be really inviting, the possibility of inviting a ransomware is very, very high. So the software, the protection has to be there so that ransomware does not get into affected here. Okay.
Nice inputs. Moving to the last question, what would be your check and balance strategy for the CEOs to do urgency discussions with the CIOs?
I think there has to be fine balance between the user's privacy and the securing or protecting the company's assets, environment or data. Okay, so that need to be taken care on that.
Thank you, Sharad, for sharing your valuable time during the news hour. Let's explore more on the WordWiz security solutions.
आजकल हर डिवाइस को डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी की जरूरत होती है। जब बात आती है आपके पर्सनल डिवाइसेस की, आपको रहना होगा टोटली सेफ एंड सिक्योर। WordWiz एंटी थेफ्ट फीचर आपको अलर्ट करता है जब कोई विदाउट परमिशन आपके फोन को एक्सेस करने की या चुराने की कोशिश करता है। WordWiz कीप्स योर डिवाइस सेफ एंड सिक्योर। ये सिर्फ एंटी वायरस ही नहीं, बल्कि ये देता है पर्सनल डेटा सिक्योरिटी, डिवाइस ट्रैकिंग और भी कई सारे फीचर्स, बिकॉज जस्ट एन एंटी वायरस इज नॉट इनफ।
My takeaway for today is the impact of technology in our lives can be seen in education, infrastructure development, health and medicine, manufacturing, exploration, research, communication, security, infrastructure and transport and logistics. Internet is key to business in communication, data management and storage. Any field that has failed to utilize technology is obsolete and outdated. The most important is to secure your computing devices to prevent unauthorized access. Don't forget to like, share your post and valuable comments and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please stay tuned for more information and stay safe.